Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 1 value education class. Again I am repeating now I am conducting now class 1 value education class. Today we will start a new topic. Okay, already we have completed our one topic, that is leave an impression, and we have completed the question answers also. Now we will start a new topic, that is helping others. Everybody open page number 33. Open your book, helping others. Again, I am repeating, we will start a new topic, helping others, page number 33, chapter number 9. Okay, so helping others. Read along with me. Okay, read with me, everybody. Being kind to someone means that you are helpful to him. God loves a person who is kind and helpful to others. So, kindness, value of kindness is very important. If you help others, God will also love you. Okay? The farmer and the snake. Once upon a time, there was a poor farmer who lives in a small hut. We all know hut means a small house. He had a small farm. In the middle of his farm, there was an old banyan tree. Okay, so he was living near a banyan tree. Okay, there is a hut, and near that there was a banyan tree. One morning, when he reached his farm, he saw a snake. The snake was lying on the ground near the tree. The snake looked very weak. The farmer thought the snake seems to be hungry. I must give some milk. So this farmer is so kind. He is a very poor farmer. Still he was so kind. He felt pity for that injured snake. Okay. And what he did, he wanted to give him some milk. He was kind to the snake. He brought a bowl of milk and kept it near the snake. After that, he went to sell his vegetables. In the evening, when the farmer returned, he found a gold coin in the bowl. So good. Listen, think that which bowl he has given the milk, there he saw a gold coin. The farmer was surprised. Next morning, he saw the snake. He again gave a bowl of milk and went to sell his vegetables. Again, he went to sell the vegetable. In the evening, when he returned, he found a gold coin in the bowl. This continued for many days. The farmer became rich because each day he was giving a bowl of milk to the injured or weak snake, and in return, each evening he was gaining a gold coin. Owing to some work, the farmer he had to go out of his village for a few days. Describing everything to his son, he asked him to feed the snake every day. He asked his son to give milk every day. After the farmer went out, his greedy son thought the snake must be having gold coins in his stomach. So greedy, listen. If I will kill the snake, I will take out all them immediately. Can you imagine? Just like we all know the story of that goose and the and his gold egg, like that. If your greed will increase, it will not result it in some good thing. Next morning, he went to the farmer. Next morning, he went to the farm with a heavy stick and in a bad intention. As he tried to kill the farmer, the snake beat him. The farmer's son died. So, as he wanted to kill the snake, immediately the snake beat him, and that farmer immediately died. My farmer's son. Moral of the story: when you help others, they help you. When you harm others, they harm you. It's very true. If you beat your friend without whatever the reason, I will ask, definitely you will not beat him. But without any reason, if you beat him 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, one day he will give return nicely. So don't practice any bad thing. Better we will practice all the good things, because good thing comes returns good, and bad thing will give you the bad return. So we will concentrate to gain the good things. Okay. So children, learn this story very carefully. Tomorrow I will ask, by today or by tomorrow I will send all the question answers through the telegram, and you will learn the question answers, because you know these two topics are there in this exam. Okay, in the UT. So learn the short answers nicely, because for the UT, you know, last time you have 14 marks MCQ and 16 marks question answers. So learn the MCQ nicely, because then you will get the good marks. Okay. So learn this very carefully and follow the telegram. By tomorrow you will get the question answers, and copy it in your CW copy and send it through the mail. Okay, dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com. There you will send the question answers. I will check it and I will give you the feedback. Okay. So children, stay tuned. Bye bye. Be safe and healthy.